Hello, my name is Tusit Hettiarachchi. My IT number is IT20668136, and I'm here to discuss two critical vulnerabilities. First one is hash functioning and slot password, and second one is file upload vulnerability. So, in the world in cybersecurity, most important thing is protect our data. Uh, this is We need to protect our sensitive data, like password and signature password and everything. In here, hash and slot password commonly used for practice for enhanced security. However, in this project, it's not completed. I'll complete it using Brycrypt. Using Brycrypt algorithm. I'll you can see I'll import Brycrypt algorithm, and I did hash password part in here. Its slot round is 10, and it's password hashing. I'll use two password hashing, and here my controller. uh, I'll use a hash password here. You can see I'll import Brycrypt here, and slot round, number of round for the this is a register user part, and we can see in our database how to register before registration, and before use to hash functioning, and after use hash functioning. To I'll use to before input hash functioning, password move on to the same characteristics and numbers. You can see here, and after use hash functioning, uh, you can see password was hashed, right? This is a hash functioning vulnerability, hash and slot password vulnerability, and I'll do another part in here. File upload vulnerability. Restrict to allow file types, implement proper file type verification, and store upload file in secure location, and I'll do it here. So that's it, my part. We can move on to the next member. Thank you.
I'm Chandrasekhara BTA. My IT number is IT20302030. In our selected project, there is vulnerability, authentication vulnerability. The project does not have a strong password validation, so I have added the password validation, strong password validation. In here, I have added this validation. You can need to add at least in one simple capital and character and number, and at least 8 characters. If user added a password and it does not meet requirement, it will show this error. And also I have added the lock mechanism to the system. In here, login in this code, logging at OAuth3 account will be locked. I will show you. In here, the registration form, I give only the words, then it will show password confirm with the requirement. After that, I give proper password, then I can register and I can log in. And also I have added I have fixed the security data missing vulnerability. In here I have added the content security policy header, one, and I have also added X content type option is given for sniffing. This one given for cost scripting XSS attacks. I will show you. In here developer option, then I load. In here, after fixing, here you can see there is content security policy, and also its content type headers, both headers in the response headers. That's it. Thank you.
Hello, I am Sajitaram. My IT number is IT20666088. Here I am going to present about the SST assignment as finding the vulnerabilities in a web application. So in my part, I found main two vulnerabilities. One of that is cross-site request forgery. It's called as a CSRF. Under here, I found three vulnerabilities. So first of all, we will see what is CSRF. CSRF, so commonly we saw when we use a website. That is, when we use the website, it suddenly navigate to another bad website or other wrong websites. So we fix this one in our websites. Here, I will share my code. In this server.js part, you can see we use the tokens, CSRF tokens, to avoid these activities. So from these tokens, it avoids for the routes to do that hacking things. And we fixed with this one. It's a three parts. One of is server side, another one is the router sides, and also we fixed with that with the client side also. And our other vulnerability is XSS. It is mean cross-site scripting. So here, what is XSS mean? When we use a website, we have to do a form submissions or other submissions. So in these submissions, when we will give the details of a user, it will hacked by the hackers and it will use for the data stealing. So this data, they can use this data to get your money from your account or other thing also. So here in our web application, we fix this one. Here we fix this one. I show my code. You can see our register.js file. Here we used sanitizers for this problem, avoid for this problem. Here for these sanitizers, it will avoid directly without going to the server. So it will help to use your website very safely. So that's all my part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm HDR Hansika, student number 82063996. My first vulnerability is session middleware configuration. First, I added a powerful tool called Express Session to the system. It makes sure the information inside is safe. We also given it a special key kind of like secret password. This key helps look and protect the boxes so that even if someone tries to peek inside, they can't understand what is in here. I placed two guardians of them, secure and HTTP only. The secure guard says that these boxes can only be used in a safe. The HTTP only guard, we prevent bad people from stealing what's inside. In here, I add a timer. After 30 minutes, they automatically closed. It looks by itself is to make sure that important things don't expose too long. My second vulnerability is click checking protection. This is how we apply the security measure to our website by update use. Request, request, and next. These parameters that represent a request, response, and a function called next. In simple terms, request is like an incoming message from a user browser. Response is the response will send back, and next is a way to pass control to the next part of our application. This is the main thing of our code. We are setting a special response header called xframe option to deny. Next, this next, this is rest of the application continue working. So this is all about my part. Thank you.